What's up, guys? So in a previous video I made a mistake. Today we're going to talk about it and I'm going to show you how we corrected it. So when I was doing the header series, we did a install on a boost gauge that I got online. I think I got from Amazon if I remember correctly. This digital boost gauge right here, and though it performed like it was supposed to as far as I could tell, we got some kind of low numbers. We started out with 4 psi was all it was making, and then when all was said and done, I think after the Gen 5 swap and the pulley down, I was still only seeing 5 psi with a peak of 7 up on the top, which just didn't make a lot of sense. So finally what I did was I hooked up a shop gauge to it so that I could see the boost numbers myself aside from the gauge, and they didn't seem to match. So let me show you what I just did to correct this little issue, and then we'll recheck all this. So here we are where I've been working on the car. What I did was I pulled that digital gauge out and replaced it with a manual gauge or a mechanical gauge. I tapped the same spot that I tapped the other one. Just had to run this one line inside, which was really easy. Just ran it in the same way that the signal wire was run in on the old gauge. And then the new gauge is right here. This is an Autometer boost gauge. And so now I'm just going to take it out, set some new numbers, and I can show you how far off the other gauge was. So there you go. Now I'm seeing about an immediate 8 psi, which climbs to about 10 psi before red line. Those numbers sound a lot better and a lot more realistic than 5 psi. So I think we can confirm that the previous boost gauge was just defective. I'm not sure why. I know it was installed correctly, but I guess it was a cheaper boost gauge, and sometimes you get what you pay for. So that just shows you when you're doing instrumentation like this, it's most important to double check and make sure if the numbers don't look quite right, make sure that you double check it with another gauge rather than just trusting it. So that's all I've got for this video. Just wanted to show you guys that and update you on that particular issue. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and peace.